Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cockpit on Rocky Linux for browser-based server management. To install Cockpit on Rocky Linux, begin by ensuring your system is updated. Open a terminal window. Execute the command sudo dnf update. This ensures all packages are current. Next, install the Cockpit package. Run the command sudo dnf install Cockpit. Once the installation is complete, enable the Cockpit service. Use the command sudo systemctl enable now cockpit.socket. This allows Cockpit to start automatically upon boot. Now, check the status of the Cockpit service. Run sudo systemctl status cockpit.socket. Ensure it shows that the service is active and running. Next, configure your firewall to allow access. If you're using firewalled, run the command sudo firewall cmd add service equals cock. Then, reload the firewall for the changes to take effect. Execute sudo firewall cmd reload. Now, open a web browser. In the address bar, type https:// your_server_ip 9090. Replace your _server_ip with the actual IP address of your Rocky Linux server. You might see a security warning. If so, proceed to accept the risk and continue. When the Cockpit login page appears, enter your server credentials. Once logged in, you'll have access to the Cockpit dashboard. Explore the intuitive interface to manage your server. From here, you can monitor system resources, manage services, and even configure networking. Cockpit also provides various plugins for enhanced functionality. Consider installing additional features as needed. This concludes the installation process of Cockpit on Rocky Linux. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.